Welcome to Observers. In this video, I will show you how to hide these squiggly lines, these warnings or errors or linting in VS Code. One thing that we can do is to disable linting extensions installed in VS Code, if any. To do that, click extensions icon. I have this extension installed for linting, ESLint. I can disable it. There is similar extension that is prettier that can also be disabled. In order to do this, or we can click gear icon, select settings, search JavaScript validate, and here we can disable JavaScript validation. Similarly, search TypeScript validate and disable this option, enable disable TypeScript validation. We can also do this, but there is an easy way. Gear icon, settings, and click this icon to open settings, JSON settings. And here you have to add these two lines, javascript.validate.enable false and typescript.validate.enable false. Make sure you add commas after these lines, and these are after this curly bracket. Save, and now those warnings or errors or type checking is gone. So this is how we can disable linting in VS Code. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.